Hey everybody, in my last video I talked about whether you should take your vehicle to a dealership or a independent repair shop. In this video I'm going to talk about the same thing, only with a body shop. Should you take your car to a dealership or should you go to an independent repair shop? Now, I'm going to tell you the first thing is most dealerships do not have body shops anymore. So, to take it to a dealership, the dealership's not going to do the repairs. They are working with a body shop probably 95 to 97% of the time. The dealership is working with a body shop that they send work to. Now, that's not a bad thing. We currently do some work for Gary Lang, and they're a great dealership, and they take great care of their clients. One of the reasons why they send them to us. Hint, hint, wink, wink. But in all seriousness, most dealerships a long time ago realized it was very difficult for them to make money in the body shop industry. So all the dealerships got out of it. There are some dealerships that have a body shop, but very, very few. So what you want to do is you want to be ahead of the game. And what I tell people is you want to be prepared for this before you have the accident. Much like if your wife's going to have a baby, you want to have everything laid out and the phone numbers all set to go before she goes into labor. Same kind of thing with a body shop. You really don't need to call a dealership. Now, you could call a dealership if you want their recommendation for your specific make, but you really want to have that lined up before you get into an accident. And again, you want to go to an independent repair. Well, then let me say this. So then you have the independent repair shop versus a consolidator. I won't mention consolidators' names, but I can tell you you're going to be much better off at an independent repair shop than a consolidator who you're hearing on the radio and has a nationwide brand or even a statewide brand. So be very cautious of that. And I'll talk about how to find a good body shop in a future video. But for this one, I just really wanted to cover, should you go to the dealership or should you go to an independent body shop? In this case, you want to go to an independent body shop and you really want to avoid the consolidators. And I'll explain again that more in a later video. So I hope everybody's having a great day. It's a beautiful summer so far, and we'll talk to you soon.